Guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to give you just a little bit of a sneak peek of what your May kit is going to include. Now, this is not going to be everything because I don't like to show everything. I like for you to be surprised on some of the things that will be coming to you. But this is probably, I'd say 80% maybe of what is going to be in your kit. So the first thing you know, you get one of these zipper pouches. This is waterproof and they're fantastic. They're the A4 size, I do believe. Let's see how large they are. I think they're 13 by looks like 9.5. So they're a good size. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. We will have your items in here just in case your box gets wet. Then your items shouldn't be wet, that kind of thing. And then they're really good for storage. I keep all my pens, all kinds of things in here that I can just grab and go. So you will get one of those. Has the little zipper on it with the charm hanging on there. And then, let's kind of follow in suit with the colors. Then you're going to get a piece of this beautiful glitter paper in yellow. So you get a piece of that, and this is quite thick too, and it doesn't shed. You can see there's no glitter coming off on me, so you don't have to worry about cutting it and having glitter everywhere. And then your card bases, you've got a yellow card base, and then 3 of the, I'd call them kind of, what would you call that, melon maybe? I'm not sure. Let's see. But they go beautifully with the paper collection. This paper collection is called Floral Market, and it's by Jen Allison. So that is the paper collection, and I will show you the papers and just let you see how good these card bases go with this. So there is one. They're all double-sided. They're all quite thick. There's your cutouts if you want. It's got the little truck on there, the watering can. There's the back side. That's one of my favorites right there. I like that. It's like they're taking the flowers to the market. And then there's the back side of that one. And then here's this. That one looks like a beautiful wood grain. And then there's the front side of that. It says Hello Sunshine. And look at that little old bicycle with the flower cart in the front. Isn't that cute? I love this paper. Of course, you know I love a lot of the papers, but I don't get a paper to put in the kits that I don't like. So if I don't like it, it's not going to go in the kit. And I like a lot of different papers, so, but that's pretty. And then there's that. There's that one. Then here's that. There you've got the light pink and white striped. That's gorgeous, isn't it? And then you have this, and then the back side of that. And see how great these colors go with these cardstocks? I think they go great. Be yourself. Life's too short to be someone else. That's true. And look at that one. That's gorgeous. I don't know if I'll be able to cut that one up and do anything with that. I like that. And then there is the back side of that one. So I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, you get 12 6x6 sheets of paper. And then there's your card bases, as I said, or you could use them for something else. You don't have to use them for cards. And then you get your envelopes that go with, and they're the cream colored this month because the background in this is cream. And then you get a piece of acetate sheet from Prima, This is from Cricut, and they will have different things on it. This one just happens to have the little blue sparkles in there, but they'll have, some of them will have different things on there. So you get a 6x6 sheet of that. You can use that for shaker cards or whatever. Then you get your bling. Of course, we're going to put bling in every kit. You know that. And you have your, this comes from this paper collection, so it's the bling that matches. And you do have some black Black is hard to come by a lot of times, but we do have black in this one. Then let's see. Then you get, now this kit right here has got tags and labels in it. And then you will have some ephemera that will go in this too. So this little bag will be filled up with all kinds of ephemera, tags, labels, that kind of thing. So you get quite a few of those. I think you get 20 of those. And then we will put the ephemera in there as well. And then let's see. You get a metal piece, and there'll be, some of them may be different, but most of them I think are the flower. It's the little metal piece that you can use. You get a die. This die says congrats and congratulations, and then it's got the exclamation points on there. So that is the die. There we go. We'll turn it over that way so you can see it, because it's coming up, graduation, that kind of thing. So I thought a congratulation die would be good. So you get that. And then of course, you know, you get the SWME stamp set, and that I'm not going to show you. That's going to be a surprise. You also get a Nouveau glitter gloss marker. This is in the clear glitter gloss. You've seen me use these a lot. I love these pens. You'll get one of those. And then you're going to get one of these little bags, and this is a little zip top bag that has a little place right here on the front for you to put a label. This is good to hold all of those little ephemera pieces, that kind of thing that you're getting a stockpile of. We just thought a little extra bag might help you out. This is just a little thin, lightweight one. And you can even put your markers in here. It'll hold the marker really well. So if you want to put all your markers that you're collecting up in here, that would be good. All right, and then you get just a little surprise pack from me. This is just a little pack of things that I have had in my stash, and I'm just going to add it into your kit. It's got some flowers and some leaves. These are, the flowers and leaves come from Wild Orchid Crafts. And then you get watering can and a little truck that's cut out with the wheels, that kind of thing. You get a pack of that in there as well. Now, like I said, that is all I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you everything. There are some other things over there that are in the kit as well, but I'm not going to show you all of those. So that is the May kit, part of the May kit that you will be getting. And these will mail out on May the 6th, so you'll be getting shortly thereafter. And we just wanted to give you a little sneak peek on this today and let you see what some of the items are going to be that are coming in your kit. Alright guys, that is it for right now. We will talk to you guys later. I hope you are enjoying these kits as much as we are. And for any of you that are not signed up for our EClub kit, we only have 4 May kits available to anybody that's not already signed up. After we fulfill our members, then we'll have 4 available. If you want one, I'm going to leave that link below and you go over and get it, because those 4, as soon as this video goes up, I'm sure those 4 are going to go in a hurry. But don't forget, you also get the SWME stamp set in here. It's a 4x4, and she has designed it especially for this kit. So I'm sure it's going to have some of these same things that the paper line has in it. And we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.